Hey there, today I have another Walmart haul. Yes, I feel like I've been doing a lot of those, and for today's haul, you'll notice I did get a lot of green for some reason. Lately, I've been finding more things at Walmart. I feel like their quality has gotten a lot better, and I've been seeing more things that are really nice, and just wanted to try them. But for today's haul, I got a total of 8 items, and I spent $233.46, which averaged out to $29 per item. And I thought that was pretty good. So yeah, Walmart is a little more expensive than it used to be, but the quality seems to have gotten better. Because lately I do feel like a lot of the styles you can find at Walmart are very similar to more expensive brands. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos. And for reference, I'm 5'1", and I just turned 60 this year, so I tend to look for clothes that are petite friendly and also age appropriate. So if you are interested in those kind of videos, please consider subscribing and also give this video a like, since that helps others find my channel. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, and first up, I got this very pretty green striped cardigan. And this is by Free Assembly, and it's the women's textured cardigan with short puff sleeves. And I got it in a size extra small. They didn't have my normal size small, so I just got the extra small. And it was $30. This is 60% cotton, 40% polyester. It says it's machine washable, and it had no reviews when I bought it. So I got this color Victory Green Stripe, and it also came in a pink stripe. But yeah, I thought this was really cute. I don't know if it's going to be too small though. When I ordered it, they had all the sizes except the small. So I could have gotten the medium, but then I was pretty sure that the medium would be too big. But yeah, I just thought this was really pretty. And for $30, I thought that was a good price. It is a cotton polyester blend though, so it's not 100% cotton. But you know, I think that's okay. I think it's still a nice sweater for summer. And it does have some interesting details. But anyway, let's go ahead and try this on and see how it looks. Okay, so here is that very pretty green striped sweater in an extra small. And you know, this is really nice. I think it's a little small, honestly. It doesn't look terrible, but I would want maybe just a little more room since it's going to be worn over stuff. And I don't like it as fitted. So I really do like this cardigan, but I think I need the small versus the extra small. So here is what it looks like up close. And yeah, it's just really nice. And I have it semi-buttoned, which is kind of the look now, right? Where you kind of leave it open. And I think that's elongating. And yeah, I think this is a nice cardigan. It looks way more expensive than Walmart. And I just have it paired with some patch pocket crop jeans that I got from Quince. And I think that looks nice. But I think you could also wear it, say, with shorts, like white shorts or white jeans. And I think that would look nice also. And here it is open. And yeah, I think this is a very nice short sleeve cardigan. I just wish it were one size up. And here I've just added a purse, and this is also from Quince. So yeah, I really do like this sweater. I think it's really cute. Okay, and next up, I got this sweater. And it actually looks kind of big. And this is the Free Assembly women's square neck cotton sweater with flutter sleeves in a size small, and it was $24. It's 100% cotton, and it says it's machine washable. It had 4.5 stars out of 51 reviews. And I got this green Victory color, but it also comes in cream and navy. So yeah, I saw this and boy, this green color just kind of called to me. And I do think it's a really nice green. It's kind of a pointelle knit, I think, and it's got like diamonds. I don't know how cute this is going to be. It does have flutter sleeves and it has this tie in the back. So I hope it's not too low, but I thought it might be cute and kind of different, yeah, for summer. So let's go ahead and try this on and see how it looks. Okay, so here is that flutter sleeve sweater. You know, I really like this sweater. It's actually really cute. I'm surprised. I wasn't really sure. It looked cute in the picture, but I just didn't think it was going to look good on me. I think it does, but I could be wrong. So here is kind of a close-up. You can see the detail. It's got kind of diamonds and these flutter sleeves. So it is bra friendly, which I kind of like. And even in the back, it has that little tie thing. So I think that adds interest. So it's a little low in the back, but not terrible. So I really do like this. It's cool. And I think it looks good with these white shorts for just a kind of fresh going out during the day look. So yeah, I am pleasantly surprised. I think this is really nice. And this sweater is 100% cotton. Okay, so let's try to add that striped cardigan. I think it might match. Okay, and here I've just added that striped cardigan and a purse. And yeah, I think that actually looks cute. The green in the sweater matches the green in the cardigan. So I think this green sweater might be a keeper for me. And the cardigan probably too, but I have to size up. Okay, and next up, I got this eyelet shirt. And this is the Free Assembly Women's Cropped Cotton Eyelet Shirt in a size small, and it was $26. It's 100% cotton, and it says it's machine washable. It had 4.5 stars out of 274 reviews. So I got this vivid white color, but it also came in a light blue, which I thought was pretty nice too. But yeah, I got this white, and I like that it's cropped and it's 100% cotton. The material actually feels really nice and good quality. It has this interesting eyelet at the hem, and I thought this could be very cute, like worn over stuff, but it looks like it would be nice for summer. And to go with the white shirt, I got these shorts. And these are by Time and True, and they're the linen blend shorts with a 5-inch inseam in a size small, and they were $17.98. These are 55% linen, 45% rayon. It's machine washable, and they had 4.4 stars out of 598 reviews. So I got this navy stripe, but it did come in a lot of different colors. But yeah, I thought this was very kind of tailored and refined looking. And I like that it has the elastic in the back. And the front has this kind of hook and eye closure with a zipper. And this is a linen rayon blend, but the material does feel kind of nice and a little on the thicker side. So anyway, I thought this would make a nice outfit. So let's go ahead and try these on and see. Okay, so here is the Free Assembly eyelet button front shirt paired with these Time and True linen blend shorts. So I'm thinking that both of these pieces look too big. I almost look like a child. But anyway, I do think these are nice pieces, just maybe too big. And the shirt, it's very kind of boxy. And this is a small, and I'm typically a small, but I think I probably could have sized down to an extra small in this shirt, although it is 100% cotton, so I don't know if it would shrink. And these shorts are really big. I actually added a belt just because they were so big. I like that they have elastic in the back, but I think that the Time and True brand in general runs big. I think it runs bigger than Free Assembly. But let's see how this looks open. Okay, and this is what I was actually envisioning. So I do have just a white tank top underneath and wearing this shirt as a layer. So I think actually this shirt, maybe in an extra small, would make a nice layer. And these shorts are really nice. I think they are good quality. They're good looking shorts. They're just a little too big. So I think I would have to size down to an extra small. And here it is with a purse. And hopefully you can envision the look that I was going for. But unfortunately, the sizing was a little off for this one. Okay, and next up, I got this very pretty green floral dress. And this is by Time and True, and it's the women's smock sleeveless mini dress in a size small, and it was $22.98. It's 85% rayon, 15% nylon. It says it's machine washable. It had 4.4 stars out of 135 reviews. So I got this green floral notes pattern, but it also comes in 6 different prints and solids. They also had like a top in this print, but I just got this dress. I think it's really nice. It looks like it could be flattering and hopefully not too short. It has this shirring or ruching in the front, and it has a little button closure. But anyway, let's go ahead and see how this very pretty dress looks on me. Okay, so here is the beautiful green dress. And I have to say, this is gorgeous. I love it. And the length is perfect. It's just above the knee. I think it's a good length. And the fit is good. And it does appear, I think, flattering. It's more fitted on top. And then it's a flowy skirt. Yeah, I like this. And the color is beautiful. And here is a close-up. So it's a green background with white and black flowers. So it's pretty. It's very tasteful. And the only downside I would say with this dress is it doesn't have pockets. I think it was probably just a design decision because maybe putting in pockets here would create some bulk and wouldn't look as nice. But it is a very pretty dress from Time and Tru for, I think it was under $30, I'm pretty sure. So very good deal. Okay, and here I've just added a purse. And I actually have a brunch coming up with some friends in a week or so. So I'm thinking I might just wear this dress, yeah? Because it does look like a very nice dress for brunch. Okay, and next up, I got this crocheted cardigan. And this is by Free Assembly, and it's the pineapple cardigan sweater with short puff sleeves in a size small, and it was $34. It says it's 60% cotton, 40% acrylic, and it's machine washable. This one had 5 stars out of only 1 review. And I got this cream color, but it also comes in navy. So this is actually really, really pretty, although it has pretty substantial looking puff sleeves. It says it's a pineapple knit. So if you look really closely, you can see the pineapple in the knitting. And it does have something I'm not a fan of, but these gold buttons. Yeah, I don't really like these kind of gold buttons, but these aren't as shiny as others that I've seen, but they're still pretty shiny. But anyway, it is a pretty sweater. I think this has potential, but let's go ahead and see how it looks. Okay, so here is that pineapple cardigan. And I do think it's really nice. It looks Anthropologie, except for the buttons maybe. But yeah, it is a very pretty cardigan, and here is a close-up. One thing I don't really like though is the sleeves. They are a little poofy, and I guess I could size down potentially, and maybe it wouldn't be as poofy, but then it'd probably be too small. So I think small is probably the right size, but it's the style. It's more of a poofy sleeve style. But I still think it's really nice. And I have it paired with these new jeans that I got recently from Loft, and I really do love these jeans. They're really nice. So if you didn't already see, I did a Loft haul recently, and I'll put a card up above to that one. And here it is just worn open. And I just have a white tank top underneath with a belt. And this belt is actually from Quince. And I really like this belt. Okay, and I just added a purse. And I think that's a very nice, low-key, casual look. And I really do like this sweater, but I have a couple off-white cardigans that I picked up recently. So I don't know if I need another one, but I just wanted to try this. Okay, and next up, I got this denim dress, and it actually looks like a lot of dress. And this is by Free Assembly, and it's the women's sleeveless square neck paneled midi dress in a size small, and it was $36. It says the length is 47 inches and it's 100% cotton. It's machine washable, and it had 4.5 stars out of 369 reviews. So I got this medium wash color, which is basically a denim, but it also came in a couple floral prints. So this one doesn't have any elastic in the back. It just has a zipper. So hopefully it'll fit me. And it does have pockets, which is nice. And they're pretty deep pockets. It's a lot of fabric though. And I am petite, right? I'm 5'1", so I'm not sure how this is going to look on me. The construction seems nice, and it has a zipper with a hook and eye on top. So yeah, I think this is very pretty. It could be flattering, but let's go ahead and see how it looks. Okay, so here is that denim midi dress. And I have to say, this is a very nice dress. It seems very well made, and it has all this paneling here. So I think it could be flattering. It's just that, yeah, it's a little big on me. And I did get a small, so I could potentially size down to an extra small. But I do think this is a very nice dress. It feels good quality. I like this style. I think it's a nice, current, yet also somehow timeless style. Very simple. And yeah, I really do like this, and I do think I'm going to try to order the extra small and see if it fits me better, because I do like it. So let's try to style this. Okay, and here I've just added that pineapple cardigan. I think it might be a little long to go with this skirt, but you get the idea. And I think actually this dress is really nice, and I definitely want to look into getting the extra small if it's available. Okay, and lastly, I got this denim vest. This is the Free Assembly Women's Button Front Sleeveless Denim Top in a size extra small. So I did size down on this. It was $30. It's 99% cotton, 1% spandex. It's machine washable. This one had 4.5 stars out of 138 reviews. So I got the super light wash, but it also comes in a green stripe. So this is actual real denim, and it's thick and heavy denim. So I'm not sure how you're supposed to wear this. It looks kind of big, but I guess you could just wear it as a top, or you could wear it as a vest. So I don't have any denim vests. I have a lot of denim jackets, but no denim vests. So anyway, I just thought I'd try this. I'm not sure how I'm going to style it, but let's go ahead and see how this looks. Okay, so here is that denim vest. And I was going to rebutton it, but it was just too hard and my fingernails were breaking. The buttons on this vest are very hard to button. But it does look pretty nice open, and I just have a black sweater tank top from Scoop underneath with these white quince shorts and belt. And I think that looks okay. I was going to wear the white t-shirt, but then I went with black for some contrast. But this is a very nice light wash denim, and it feels like really thick, heavy-duty denim, high quality. It looks good. So if you like this look with the vest, I think this is a good option for the price. But I think for me, it's nice, but probably not something I would wear. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Walmart haul this time. So let me know what you guys thought of the clothes and if you've had any luck shopping at Walmart recently. But anyway, now it's time to say goodbye. And as always, I'm going to call one of my 3 furry companions to help me say goodbye. And for today's video, I think it's going to be Miss Kaya. Okay, and here she is, Miss Kaya. Oops. And she was sleeping, as usual, but I thought I'd just wake her up and have her help me say goodbye because I wanted to show off her pretty haircut. So she has bows, and she got cut really short because it's been so hot lately. And I felt really bad because she's a very furry dog. If we didn't get her groomed regularly, she'd be very fluffy. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. Say bye.